lady. Lillian, hey, I was just on my way to another audit, and I was coming down the freeway, and then I looked up, and I saw this on the street. And I was like, what the hell's that doing on the street? And look. It's the best tours in the air, but they don't do any solids to people on the ground. Look at that. It smashed a Jaguar's windshield. Oh, so that guy over there has already taken off the propeller blades from the top. And now he's working on this back propeller here to take that off so they can put this helicopter on a truck. There's the tail number. There's the cop car over there. They got the street blocked off. Can you see it? They got the street blocked off right there. And they also have it blocked off up here. But I'm furry and I can do whatever I want. So I walked over here. So this guy here is the mechanic, and these are the blades he already took off. Yeah, so they had an emergency landing and he landed on this Jaguar. I'll show you the windshield. Yeah, I was right here on this freeway. I was coming on to my next audit, and I looked up and I saw this, and I was all, hey, what the hell, are they shooting a movie? Well, it turns out they didn't shoot a movie. Oh. But there's the damage to the Jaguar. The best tours in the air, my ass. If you can keep it in the air, it's the best tours in the air. And look how chewed up that blade is. That's what hit that. Actually, that's all that happened. Jeez. Oh yeah, hey, no, no parking. I want a ticket for this helicopter, sir. What are the chances you're driving by and a helicopter lands on you? Look at all the glass on the windshield, on the hood. But look at that rear blade. It's all chewed up from hitting the car. Yeah, look. Look where they parked the helicopter, everybody. I guess they gotta tow that helicopter out of here, everybody. Oh man.